Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. So welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I just got another Live Good order and I'm about to share with you what I got and why I got them. Alright, you can see I already opened the box yesterday just to make sure everything was in there. But let me show it you. The hell, I can't talk. Let me show you what I got. Alright, the first thing I got was the Live Good Super Greens. Right? And I got these because you know, I be slacking on my veggies. I ain't gonna lie to you, right? So this is the way I can actually supplement and get more of the fruits and vegetables that your body needs. Now, I do put spinach in my smoothies, but to be honest with you, that's pretty much like the only vegetables I get. All right. Next up, I got some magnesium. All right. Now, this magnesium has, which I didn't even know how many benefits that taking magnesium can have on the body, but I'm taking this to help with my sleep because if you watch any of my other videos, like, you know, my sleep be all messed up a lot of the time. So I'm taking these. They say magnesium can help you get calmer, more relaxed sleep. So I'm going to be taking these. And obviously I'll report back. You know what I mean? Let you know. And the last thing I got, this is for my mom. And I might use it, but right now I'm not in too much pain. I got this for my mom. And I'm actually excited for her to try this. This is the CBD pain relief cream. All right, you just spray it on and rub it in, and you should be feeling some pain relief. So I'm super excited for her to try this. So this is what I just got. And then what I already had, which I'm actually out of, I did a video on this before, and this is the Live Good Super Reds. This is really dope, really good. And I was getting this straight up. This helped with cardio health, heart health. So this is like, should be a staple product. A lot of people love this. This is a super popular product at Live Good. And then I just started taking this. I'm gonna do a, I just did a review on this, and this is the organic protein. All right. So there you have it. That's what I got right now. I'll be reporting back, talking about all of these products in the very, very near future. So as you can see, Live Good is coming with the products. I know a lot of people is like, oh, they new. They don't got that many products. Let me tell you something. Live Good is dropping new products all the time. And like I said, I'm super excited about it. Now, if you want to check out these products, obviously I will put a link in the description so you can look at the products and actually you can compare them to other products on the market right now so you can see the difference for yourself. And if you want to check out the actual Live Good opportunity, I'll put a link in the description as well so you can check that out. But Live Good is super dope. But yeah, if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be talking about all of these products and future products to come.